is Nychy Eyanna, for those who don't know me, and I'm gonna just get straight to the point. I bought 3 wigs, had them for a while, wanted to dye them, install them, show you guys them, and I plan to do one of them today. Fell asleep, just woke up, about to get some coffee. I got homework to do, and I'm just gonna do this really quickly in between of me doing my homework and drinking coffee. So I'm going to show you guys the wig first because I want to dye it before I install it, and I need to take these braids out because I've had them in for a long time. So you guys are going along with me. This is not a very planned video, but that's life. So let's get into it. Okay, excuse my voice, excuse everything right now. This is just an unplanned video, but I don't really care because that's life. Not everything's planned. So this is the wig that I bought. I bought it off of Amazon. It came in this little plastic package, like a bag that normally they come in, but it was plastic. So, and it doesn't have any logo on it, so I can't remember the brand that it came from, but I'm going to look it up and put it in the description box. And then it came inside of this bag. It is 24 inches of full lace frontal, and it is a jet black, but I'm going to be trying to dye it like an auburn. So this is the hair out of the package. It is very long, it's very pretty, has nice curls. It's sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. It has a full lace front on the inside with the clips, of course, the adjustable strap. I'm really excited about this. It has a little bit of baby hairs. I am going to bleach the knots as well, and I really hope that it fits my head. So let's go ahead and dye this. These are the items that I'm going to use to dye the wig. I'm using 40 volume developer, this pack of bleach to bleach the knots, and then I got 2 different colors, a soft brown and an auburn brown, and I got 4 in total. If you have seen any of my videos before, then you know I am not a professional when it comes to dyeing hair, but I do everything very sloppily, but usually it works out for me. So I just mixed in all of the dye, and then I mixed in the 40 volume developer, and I'm going to just slap it on top of this wig everywhere and hope for the best. I don't know why I poured it on the wig like that. I poured it like I was pouring some type of icing or seasoning on it or something, but I don't know why I did it like that, because usually I just scoop it out with my hand. But as I was dyeing this, I realized this wig is thicker than I thought it was. It is 180% density, but I don't know. I was just thinking it was not going to be this thick. And throughout this process, I got really nervous that I did not have enough hair dye, because it was really thick and it was not really getting through that well. I was like, oh no, I done messed up. But I worked it out. You'll see I ended up getting the whole thing covered, so it's all good. This is the wig after I washed out the dye, and as you can see, it's still pretty dark. I'm really upset because I hate wearing black wigs. They just don't match my eyebrows. My hair has never been black my entire life, so whatever, we're gonna work it out. Here is the wig. I didn't pluck the hairline. I'm probably going to go in and pluck it a bit, and I did glue it down already. These are the baby hairs that I was going to pull out. It does fit my head okay. So I would say that it's big head friendly. It doesn't come all the way, like the lace comes down here, so I would definitely say that it's big head friendly. I just have kind of long sideburns, I guess. The wig did not take it took the bleach at the end when I mixed like the bleach and the color towards the end, but the top is still dark, which I was hoping it wasn't going to be, because I really wanted the wig to kind of be all one color. The knots did bleach pretty well. It did bleach over onto the hair a bit, but I'm just going to try and use some eyeshadow to cover that up. The hair is, I believe it was 180% density, so it is pretty thick and full. So I'm going to just try and finish up fixing up the hairline, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So I laid down a little bit of baby hair on the side, and I wanted to show you guys this too. I got this Zero Fuss spray wax because I couldn't find a wax stick, so I went to Sally's and the lady told me to try this spray wax. And at first I thought it was just going to be like hairspray, but this stuff actually is like wax. Like, I was actually surprised. I've never heard of this before, and I really like it. So, and it was only like $7. So I sprayed this to like lay down this part, and it worked really well. So I'm going to finish up taming these curls because they're a little frizzy right now. Okay, so I'm taking some curl, like foaming mousse, and I'm going to try and tame these curls a little. And I have not really combed out this wig with a comb. I've just been using my fingers to rake through it. I just noticed you can see my little phone in the back of the mirror. I think it's funny. But yeah, I'm full mousse with the phone because I don't have a high quality camera. But guys, look at this. This is really cute. And like I said before, this wig is 180% density. I cannot get this lace to lay down. I have put spray on it, glue. It's just not laying down. This side is. I don't know what's going on with this side. But whatever. This unit, I really like how thick it is. Here's the ponytail so you guys kind of, I guess, see how thick. Here's the back. I really do like this. It doesn't really get knotted. I haven't combed through it with a comb. I've just finger raked it. The ends look a little crazy right now, but I think that's really just because I put bleach on the ends, because when it came out the package it did not really look like that. But that's okay. I really do like this unit. I like it a lot. It's affordable. It is a great density. Overall, I really do like this unit. I definitely think that it's a 10 out of 10. The hairline wasn't bad. I didn't pluck it. I didn't really feel the need to. You can if you want to, but I feel like the parting was good. Overall, I like this. I would buy it again. It's affordable. The thickness is great. The curl pattern's cute. I will probably get another one and try dyeing it a different color because these ends look horrible now that I bleached them. But that's okay. Like the unit, I'm going to put it in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time.